Hey, welcome to the show. Check out this beautiful phone case from TORRAS. TORRAS is one of those companies that offer great products for your phone, and this is one of them. This is for the new iPhone 15 series. Take a look at that. When you get your phone, you want to show it off, and what better product to do it in was with this clear case. This will not stain, and take a look at the side right here. Double layer shock strip around it, super shock resistant, and drop protection over 12 feet. This right here, the buttons, nice and squishy. This is what the top looks like, and the bottom. Side right here, nice and solid, non-slip grip, and you're going to notice this ring right here. You cannot feel this ring, but it works great with the MagSafe products. So if you have a MagSafe in your car, that's a magnet, boom, clicks to it, not going to let go. So when you're going over bumps, your phone's going to stay nice and secure. You got to use a little pressure to take that off of there. Beautiful phone case. I just like it. Golly. Look at that bevel around the camera lens right here. That's going to protect it if you have this on the counter. Not going to scratch your camera lens. Nice product. Take a close look right here. Golly. You're going to like that. This is built in right there. Nice buttons. That's going to look nice on your phone. Hey, take a look at the company. They have quite a few other products for your phone. They have great customer support. You're going to like it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button down below. And like always, have a fun day. Adios.